Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got a great recipe for you today. Hard to believe, but it's already Easter 2025. I've got a beautiful spring salad recipe for you today. This is my mom's recipe, and it's got great flavors like fresh mint and dill and orange zest, and I think that you're really gonna like it. So let's start out by making the dressing. And so we'll start with a freshly juiced orange. And to that, we're gonna add our dill and our mint, and we'll also zest the peel of that orange for some just really nice brightness. And those flavors that I've just mentioned let you know that it's just going to be this is going to be a really just bursting with flavor dressing. It's going to be really, really nice. Some bibbed lettuce. You know, this time of year, the gardens are just really going crazy. I know ours is, and this is the time to take advantage of all of these wonderful things that we get fresh from the garden. So about a tablespoon of dill is what I'm looking for. And some fresh mint leaves. Fresh mint leaves in your garden are, gosh, so easy to grow. It's almost hard to kill them. They grow just big and bushy and really, really well. They're great in, gosh, as a garnish. We put them on top of many of our desserts for years at the Lady and Sons, and in sweet tea. Looks beautiful right on top of a vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna chop it up fine. If you've ever eaten fresh mint, it could be a very powerful, powerful thing. So I'm gonna try to get this really super fine. But it's going to make a really nice ingredient to our salad dressing here. So I've got our dill and our fresh mint, and again about a tablespoon is what we're looking for. And so let's zest our orange. This is a nice big orange. That juice, that's where it came from. We juiced this orange, and it gave a lot of juice. The zest of a lime, a lemon, an orange just really goes a long way. Really adds to a recipe, and it already smells so good. It smells like spring. Careful when you're using your microplane when you're zesting anything. You catch your knuckles on it, it'll wake you up. Yeah, there we go. A little salt and pepper also. I had my Aunt Peggy in here one day making a salad dressing, and we got to reminisce a little bit about. She used to make some of the most beautiful dressings and have them sitting in clear bottles on her countertop, and they were just always so nice. That's one of my best memories growing up, is when we would go over to Aunt Peggy and Uncle George's, and she would make a beautiful salad, and always with the homemade dressing. So to this, we're gonna add some olive oil, kind of just slowly, not all at once. So I'm adding the oil little by little, and also some Dijon mustard, a couple of teaspoons. About 2 teaspoons is what I'm looking for. That's going to be a really, really nice dressing. Nope. Beautiful dressing. Into this nice looking vessel here. Beautiful. That's the hardest part. And then you just make a beautiful salad to dress it with. So let's keep moving. Got some nice looking carrots, some pistachios. I don't know about you, but I love fresh walnuts or pistachios or pecans, any kind of nuts I like to add to my salad. You know what I'm really liking lately too is slivered almonds and blanched almonds. I don't know if you've ever had blanched almonds, but it's something that I snack on a lot. Is I keep nuts with I make a homemade sort of blend at the house, and I'll usually use nuts and raisins and I don't know, sometimes I'll put some little chocolate chips in there. So, but I love to use blanched almonds and blanched cashews, you know, just raw with no salt on them, because sometimes they're just too salty. Like I love a container of roasted cashews or almonds or whatever, but sometimes that's just way too much like sodium. So blanched is like, they're just plain and they're very, very good. Okay, cool. Got some nice carrots here, and they're beautiful. I love a medley of carrots. They're red and orange and yellow, and it's just beautiful. Looks like Easter too. Dill, we'll save that dill for when we make some salmon. Got some really nice bib lettuce. These are so pretty to me. Let's see, I mean, you could do, sometimes I like to make tuna or fresh chicken salad, usually tuna salad, and just put them right on a bed of this, on just like a leaf of this bib lettuce. Or you could do, you could do a nice protein and also just do it like a taco, like a nice piece of salmon would be good, or some fresh chicken, or some chicken, or some, sometimes we do skirt steaks at our house, flank steaks. It'd be nice to do like a fajita in the lettuce there. So anyhow, let's make ourselves a salad. So our salads are really simple. It's just bib lettuce, and I've just shredded it up a little bit, with my hands rather, just torn it up a little bit. And to that we'll add our carrots and our pistachios. So of course, whatever you like should do. I was just commenting to Teresa and Ed that some radishes would look really nice on here. Some tomatoes would be very nice. I always like fresh cucumbers. So whatever you'd like to do it. And some pistachios. And you know, these pistachios nowadays come flavored. You can get them with all sorts of different, you can get them in salt and vinegar and honey and barbecue, all sorts of stuff. So do what you like. And just for good measure, we'll go with 1 or 2 extra carrots for the garnish here. And so this is like just a nice side salad. So have this, next to your meal. Now the dressing that we made, we tasted, and it tastes so good. These flavors are just really, really nice. Salad dressing is always going to be better when you let it sort of marry together a little bit. So if you wanted to make your dressing and stick it in the fridge for a little while or whatever, better with time though, for sure. So lastly, we'll just drizzle our salads with a little bit of our homemade dressing. And voila. This would be beautiful with, I've got some great fresh salmon at my house. This would be beautiful with some salmon on top. Or, golly, people, we need to go shrimping. Get some beautiful big Georgia wild shrimp on top of this, piece of chicken or some steak. It's gorgeous. So, when the Easter Bunny comes down your chimney tonight, have a salad ready for him or her, or whatever the Easter Bunny is. But happy Easter, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.